To begin with, I have come up with the first chapter of this literature, that is from the first flight book, A Letter to God. So see from the board, students, this story has been written by G.L. Fuentes. G.L. Fuentes stands for what? I'll just explain it to you here. G.L. is Gregorio basically, Gregorio Lopez. Gregorio Lopez Fuentes, he was a Mexican novelist. He used to write the novels based on Mexico. Alright, so G.L. Fuentes has written this story very beautifully, and this story is all about the firm belief in God. A person is having so much strong faith in God that he trusts God blindly, and he is very sure till the end also that God will surely help him no matter what the condition is and no matter what people thinks of him. So this story is basically a letter to God, that a person is having firm belief in God, okay, and how he writes a letter to God, what all incidents takes place with him. So we'll be studying them all in this session. Okay? So G.L. Fuentes has written. Up in this picture you can see something. There is a person who is there to collect the office or the envelope from God. Then what do you see in the picture? There is a man who is come to collect the letter, and that is from God. Then where is the man standing? This is the whole scenario, as you can see in the picture, that this is the scenario of a post office, and a person has come to receive the letter from God. Why is he so sad? Because his something has happened with him that made him sad. So he is expecting something in return from God. What do you think has happened to his field? Now in this picture you can see that this person is looking very sad and gloomy. What has happened to his field that he has become so much upset, okay, or he is so much gloomy about it? So you have to see in this picture and you will get an idea what is the story all about. So G.L. Fuentes is the author of this story. Introduction, we will be doing the whole briefing of this chapter because you people have already studied about it. पूरा तुम लोगों ने इसको study कर रखा है अच्छे से. So I am here to just summarize the whole story and to provide you with some question and answers which are very very important for your board purpose. Alright, so you have to understand the whole gist of the story very beautifully. So story starts, the main character of this story basically is Lenko. Lenko, he was a poor farmer, and the story revolves around this main character Lenko, and he was a farmer. He was a poor farmer who used to live with his family, and he was very devoted, and he was very hardworking, extremely hardworking. Okay, so he was an extremely hardworking man. He used to work in fields day in and day out, and he was dedicated to his work, to work on fields. Then, however, his crops was destroyed in exceedingly hailstorm. What happened, student? This Lenko used to live with his family, okay, and he was very dedicated to his work. He used to work in fields day in and day out in order to, earn a lot, and in order to provide good amount of money to his family or to his children. Then what happened? This year when this story has been written, this year he was expecting a great harvest because he has worked a lot. So here in this session, in this year he was expecting a good return because he has worked a lot of hard work. He has put in lot of hard work. Then what happened, students, when his crops were ready to get harvested, he was hoping to get a good rainfall. वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि इस साल बहुत अच्छी सी बारिश होगी and his crops will be of a great pleasure and it will be providing him great prosperity. But what happened? It though rained, rain हुई, बारिश हुई, it was raining properly, it was raining nicely, but then suddenly what happened? This rain got changed into hailstorm. जैसे ही बारिश होने लगी, he was very happy and he was considering those raindrops as new coins. New coins की तरह उसको लग रहे थे वो, because he was thinking कि when this rain will come and it will fall on to his fields, these fields will giving him a good harvest and in return he will be earning a good amount of money. So he was relating the coins with the raindrops. Small coins he was relating with the small drops, 5 cents, and those big drops of rain, he was relating with the raindrops or as new coins as 10 cents. तो इतना उसको relate कर रहा था, he was relating it so beautifully कि these raindrops are new coins and it will be giving me a good harvest. But then suddenly what happened, this rain got changed into hailstorm. Suddenly क्या हुआ कि बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होने लग गई and it started hails. Hails means what? ओले जो होते हैं ना हिंदी में, तो ओले गिरने लग गए थे. अब ओले कि इट्स वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द क्रॉप्स. जब आपने देखा होगा न्यूज़ में भी या पिक्चर में भी कि व्हेन इट स्टार्ट्स टू हेल और व्हेन दिस ओलावृष्टि स्टार्ट्स, तो क्या होता है कि रेन जो क्रॉप्स के लिए बहुत हार्मफुल होता है. तो इट स्टार्टेड हेलिंग, ओके, एंड ही वाज नॉट लाइकिंग इट. He was very much depressed because his crops will get destroyed and he will not get a good harvest. So what happened, his crop was destroyed in exceedingly hailstorm. All right, then let me move further on. But he had firm belief in God. One thing was very positive about him, that he was having firm belief in God. No matter what the condition is, he will always have that firm belief in God. Ki God, whatever he is doing it for the best of the people. Okay, so he was having a firm belief in God. Then what happened? He thought that God will surely help him. When his crops got destroyed, students, he thought that God will surely help him and he will always be there, to help him in need. Alright. Thinking this, he wrote a letter to God. Then what happened, when his crops got destroyed, he thought that I'll write a letter to God and I'll ask for the compensation and I'll ask for help. Alright. Then what happened? He and the other postmen of the post office wanted to help Lenko. Ab dekho. Wait, thinking this, he wrote a letter to God. Okay, he thought that God will surely help him, and thinking about it, he wrote a letter to God. In that, he asked for the compensation for what his crops had got spoiled. So for that crop spoilation, he asked for the compensation to God. So he wrote a letter. All right. Then what happened? He asked God to send him some money because his crops got ruined and he was wanting money. So he wrote a letter to God to return him the money. Then what happened? At the post office, the master read Lenko's letter. When this Lenko has posted the letter to God in the post office, the people there were laughing. It's obvious that if somebody is writing a letter to God, it's quite, it's not imaginary. है ना, हम लोग God को letter नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Like, it's very hypocritic, or it can say it's very hypothetical situation. Nobody can write a letter to God. So same thing happened when this Lenko wrote a letter to God, and the people of post office they came to know कि Lenko has written a letter to God. So they were all laughing and they were all making fun of him. But on the other hand, what happened, this postmaster, there was a postmaster, and when he just saw the letter, he was all shocked and he was surprised कि how come anybody can have such a firm belief in anyone, be it God or be it any other person. So he was all surprised. He was amazed by Lenko's firm belief in God. Alright. Then he and the other postmen of the post office wanted to help Lenko. When this postmaster, he read the Lenko's letter, and in that when he read out कि his crops got destroyed and he is needing some money from God, so this postmaster, he was very much touched and he was very much amazed by Lenko's firm belief in God. तो जब पोस्ट ऑफिस के जो दूसरे पर्सन्स थे स्टूडेंट्स, तो वो जब उसके ऊपर मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, पोस्ट मास्टर टोल्ड हिम नॉट टू लाफ एट हिम, ही इज हैविंग सच अ फर्म बिलीफ इन गॉड, तो वी शुड ऑल हेल्प हिम. एंड इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ चैरिटी बेसिकली कि हम सबको मिलके क्या करना चाहिए, लेंको की हेल्प करना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट लेट दिस लेंकोज फर्म बिलीफ in God should go down. Okay, so they all tried to help Lenko. All right. So at first, so they made they made fun of him, and then later on they all decided to help Lenko in whatever way they can. All right. Then they collected some amount to help him. They collected some amount to help him and placed the collected amount into an envelope. What happened after this? When all these people on the post office, they tried to help Lenko, they decided to help Lenko, they all collected some amount. सबने अपना अपना part थोड़ा सा share किया, and they all collected or they all charioted towards Lenko to help. Okay, and they collected the amount and they wrapped it in an envelope. Alright, then what happened next? Let's see. The next Sunday, Lenko came back to check whether there was any letter for him. What happened? Lenko waited for 1 week and the next Sunday he was there in the post office to inquire whether there was any letter for him or not. So there was a letter for Lenko. The master gave him that envelope. Up, master, he has collected the amount and there was an envelope for Lenko. So when Lenko he came on Sunday to collect the envelope or to collect the letter from God, so there was an envelope and the postmaster handed over this envelope to Lenko. It was having amount, okay, because these people have collected the amount and they have wrapped it in an envelope. So he got an envelope from God. अब लेंको क्या सोच रहा था कि he has received the letter from God, but indirectly what happened? Postmaster and the other employees of the post office, they collected the amount for Lenko. Okay, so this is the whole scenario. अब next देखो क्या होगा फिर. The master gave him that envelope. Once Lenko opened the envelope, he found the cash. जब envelope लेंको ने खोल के देखा, he found that cash is there. मतलब God has helped him. Okay. Further, but it was less than what he had requested for. It was less than what he has asked for. He has asked for how much? 100 pesos. 100 pesos उसने ask किए थे, demand किए थे. Pesos is basically the standard unit of Latin American countries. Okay, currency of, it's basically the currency of Latin American countries. मेक्सिको या पोलैंड, जर्मनी, इनकी लैटिन अमेरिकन कंपनीज की करेंसी है. तो लैटिन अमेरिकन करेंसी. ओके, सो pesos he demanded for 100 pesos. Currency of Latin American. Pesos here refers to what? It's a currency basically. Currency of Latin America. So Latin America. All right. So he asked for 100 pesos. He asked for 100 pesos, but what happened? Postmaster and the other employees could collect only 70 pesos. उन्होंने कितना collect किया? Only 70 pesos. So at first when Lenko opened the letter, students, so he was very happy कि हाँ God has helped him and he has found the cash. But when he counted the cash, he counted on the cash, it was only 70 pesos. So Lenko was not happy, rather he was angry. Alright. Then what happened? But it was less than what he has asked for. Kam tha amount. Okay. He wrote another letter to God. He asked God to send him the rest of the money. Again, what happened? He decided that I'll write a letter to God again and he will ask for the rest of the amount. But then there was a twist this time. But he asked God not to send the amount by post because the post office employees were a bunch of crooks. अब क्या हुआ students? There was a twist and turn. He got the amount, he counted on, it was less than what he has expected. So what happened? Lenko thought कि these post office employees are there who are the frauds and who have been taking out the amount in between. अब देखो क्या turn आया इसमें, क्या twist है कि पोस्ट ऑफिस के जो लोग थे, पोस्ट मास्टर था, उन्होंने लेंको को हेल्प किया था. ठीक है, जितना भी अमाउंट वो लोग कलेक्ट कर सकते थे, दे हैव कलेक्टेड एंड दे हैव गिवन इट टू लेंको. बट इन रिटर्न व्हाट हैपेंड? लेंको थॉट दैट दिस अमाउंट इज लेस देन what he has asked for and he thought that these people have in between taken the amount. Okay, so this time he decided to write a letter to God and he asked God not to send him through mail but send it through other ways because these people are frauds. A bunch of crooks matlab fraud people. So bunch of crooks can say fraud. He was considering these post office people or the post office employees as crooks, bunch of crooks. तो उसने किनको employees को क्या बोल दिया था कि these people are a bunch of crooks. Up till now you people have understood. This is the whole summary of this story basically, a letter to God. This was an introduction. Now let's move on further. If you see detailed summary, वही चीज़ है, थोड़ा सा एक बार इसको read out कर लेते हैं to make it more clear to you all. So see, Lenko was a dedicated agriculturist. Farmer बोल सकते हैं और if you want to enhance agriculturist take it. ठीक है. तो he was expecting a decent harvest, yet sadly a hailstorm came and destroyed his harvest totally. So Lenko was a dedicated agriculturist. He was expecting a good return, but what happened? His crops got destroyed due to hailstorm. ठीक? Then Lenko was very sad. He got very sad and he had the strong belief in faith in God. He was sure that God will definitely help him no matter what the condition is, but God will surely help him. Okay. Then what happened? He was an extremely straightforward man. This Lenko, he was an extremely straightforward man. तो तुम लोग इसको अपने आंसर में फ्रेम कर सकते हो when you will be giving the answer that Lenko was an extremely straightforward man. एक चीज़ और ले सकते हैं हम इसमें से कि dedicated agriculturist he was. Then he had strong belief in faith. अगर कैरेक्टर स्केच आ जाता है कि यू हैव टू राइट द कैरेक्टर स्केच ऑफ लेंको, देन यू कैन ऐड ऑन दीज पॉइंट्स कि ही वॉज अ डेडिकेटेड एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट, he having a strong belief in God, then he was extremely straightforward man. 3 points मिल गए हम लोगों को. You can just mark it down. First point, second point, third point. ये हम लोग कैरेक्टर स्केच की बात कर रहे हैं. आंसर्स भी हम यहीं से फ्रेम आउट कर सकते हैं. ठीक, अब देखो, he was sure that God will definitely, मतलब he was having a firm belief in God or not? He was having firm belief in God. Then at that point he went to the post office and put the letter into the post box. The postman removed the letter from the letter box. Postmaster, he took the letter from the letter box. He read out the story. He read out the message from to God, okay, written by Lenko, and then he decided to help Lenko. Postmaster also chuckled in the same way. Chuckled मतलब answered him in the same way. Answered in the same way as he was expecting when he saw the address of God. He was also quite, at first he was also laughing at him ki what is this man doing? He's writing a letter to God. How can that be possible? So when he read the letter, he got very serious. But then later on when he read the letter, he got very serious and he lauded. He answered him, or he returned back to him the same way. He answered this man who had extraordinary confidence in God. He decided to help him. Then postmaster, he decided to help him. Rest of the story you people have already understood. Then the employees of the post office to give money. He asked the post office employees to provide some help to this Lenko. He gave a part of his money or a part of his salary to Lenko. He also charioted some amount for Lenko in order to, not to break the trust which Lenko has on God. Okay? Then, but they were able to collect more than half the money. More than half the money matlab 70 pesos around. So they have collected around 70 pesos. Okay. Then the postmaster put the money in an envelope and he handed it over to Lenko when he came to ask for the money. Okay. Then Lenko, he came on Sunday to collect the office, money from, or the letter from the post office. He asked if there was any letter. First of all, he inquired if there is any letter or not. So he found that there was an envelope for him which has been sent by God. अब यहाँ पे तुम लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि लेटर गॉड को तो मिला नहीं, गॉड ने हेल्प भी नहीं की थी उसको डायरेक्टली. पोस्टमास्टर एंड हिज एम्प्लॉयज हैव हेल्प्ड, बट व्हेन पोस्टमास्टर वाज सेंडिंग द लेटर टू लेंको, उसने एनवेलप पे क्या किया था, व्हेन ही रिसीव द लेटर, उसने ऊपर क्या लिख दिया था कि इट इज बीन गिवन बाय गॉड, ताकि लेंको का जो फर्म बिलीफ है गॉड में वो ब्रेक नहीं हो. तो उसने क्या किया था, ही हैज साइंड इट एज गॉड in order not to break the trust which Lenko had in God. तो इसलिए उसने लगा कि हाँ, ये जो लेटर हमने रिसीव किया है, मैंने रिसीव किया है, it has been given by God. ठीक है. तो Lenko came at the post office. He asked if there was any letter for him. So there was a letter for Lenko. He received that thing. He counted on the money and he found that there was only 70 pesos. So again he got angry. Instead of getting happy, he was all angry and he was thinking कि why have I got the less amount, or are these people frauds who have taken my amount. क्या हुआ था एकदम. ठीक है. तो Lenko was not surprised. उसको इस चीज़ का सरप्राइज नहीं था कि गॉड ने उसको हेल्प किया है, but he was shocked that how can people be so much crooked or so much fraud that they have taken away the amount which Lenko has received from God. ठीक है. Then at seeing the money, but when he counted, he became angry. जैसे उसने count किया, he was all angry and he was not liking it कि he has not received the whole amount. Okay. He thought that God could not have made the mistake. उसको लगा कि God से mistake तो हो नहीं सकती. If I had asked for 100 pesos, तो 100 pesos ही मिलना था मुझे. But he has received how much? Only 70 pesos. Then he thought of कि ये post office के जो employees हैं, यही हैं fraud people जिन्होंने मेरा amount बीच में से गायब कर लिया है. Okay? Then he took paper and decided to write a letter again to God and ask God not to send the amount through post. ओके तो यहाँ पे स्टोरी जो है हमारी एंड होती है. ओके तो आई होप यू पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड द होल थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी. ओके एंड द स्टोरी एंड्स ऑन दिस नोट दैट ही वाज हैविंग फर्म बिलीफ इन गॉड नो मैटर व्हाट द कंडीशन वाज. जब उसे अमाउंट रिसीव हुआ तब भी उसे ये फर्म बिलीव था कि येस गॉड विल आंसर टू माई रिक्वेस्ट. एंड व्हेन ही गॉट लेस अमाउंट देन ऑल्सो ही वाज नॉट थिंकिंग कि गॉड हैज़ मेड सम मिस्टेक, but he thought that these people have taken my amount. So see how beautifully you can see that person is having firm belief in God no matter what the condition is. So this is all about the story. अब थोड़े से question point of view से देख लेते हैं, board point of view से देख लेते हैं. What questions can be framed related to this topic in your board exam? Okay? तो देखो question देखो. Solve questions. Answers are also there so that you can always take the help of this. What did Lenko hope for? What this Lenko was hoping? So you can write the answer कि Lenko hoped for good rain as it was much needed for a good harvest. So he was basically hoping for a good rain. This thing you can underline to pay emphasis कि he was hoping to get good rain so that he can get a good harvest. First question it can come for 1 mark. तो अगर 1 mark के लिए आता है तो this question can be framed. Then why did Lenko say that raindrops were like new coins? Now this question is very very important students, so you can always mark it as important. थोड़ा सा हम इसको स्टार लगा के हाईलाइट कर लेते हैं कि this question can be framed for your board exams कि why he has referred to the raindrops as new coins. Again I am repeating कि new coins क्यों किया था. So he compared the raindrops with new coins because they were promising him a good harvest, giving him more prosperity. वो गोल्ड कॉइन्स या न्यू कॉइन्स की तरह क्यों लग रहे थे उसको? बिकॉज व्हेन दिस रेन विल कम एंड इट विल शावर ऑन हिज फील्ड्स ही विल गेट अ गुड हार्वेस्ट एंड इन रिटर्न ऑफ हिज गुड हार्वेस्ट ही विल बी गेटिंग द अमाउंट. So this answer can be framed for your board exam. This question can be there in your board exam. So you can always write this language. He compared the raindrops with new coins because they were promising him a good harvest and in return he will be getting good prosperity or he can become rich. Then question number 3, this question can come for 1 or 2 marks depending on the question. 1 or 2 marks के लिए हो सकता है frame. Then how did the rain change? Suddenly it was raining and then suddenly it started hailstorm. So how did the rain change? The rain changed into hailstorm as a strong wind began to blow and huge hailstorm began to fail along with the rain. So along with the rain there was huge drops of hail which has started coming down on earth. What happened to Lenko's field? Obviously if hailstorm will be there, his crops will be destroyed. So all the crops in Lenko's field was filled with grief after hailstorm stopped, as everything was ruined and there was nothing that he could feed his family with. He could see a bleak future for him and his family. So what happened? His Lenko's fields got destroyed. It was all destroyed. Now Lenko was in great despair कि how is he going to feed his family? He will not get any amount for his fields, so he was feeling very bad. Bleak future मतलब you can say black future or you can say hopeless future. So bleak here refers to hopeless. This question can be framed for 1 or 2 or even 3 marks also, so you can decide it. 3 marks में भी question frame हो सकता है because it has got 2 parts. तो आप लोग divide कर सकते हो कि rain changed into hailstorm and then what happened to this Lenko's fields? It got destroyed and it was all destroyed and destruction. Okay. Then you can just add on कि he was feeling bad about his family etc etc. थोड़ा सा elaborate कर सकते हो तुम लोग. Alright. Now who or what did Lenko have faith in? He was having firm faith in God. Alright. So on whom he was having great faith in? He was having great faith in God. Now, what did he do? So Lenko had firm faith in God. He believed that God sees everything. Obviously, whatever we people are doing, God is seeing everything. He is watching us. So whatever good deeds we are doing, that also he is watching. If bad deeds also we are doing, he is watching everything. So God sees everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. हमारे दिमाग में भी अगर कुछ भी चल रहा होता है तो God can see everything. He is watching us from up. So God can see anything or whatever we people are thinking, whatever is there in our conscience, then and help everyone in one's problem. What happens, students, when we people are feeling problematic, or when we got troubled in some problem, then what happens? We always pray to God to rectify that thing. हम लोग कितनी बार अगर अपसेट हो जाते हैं, और whenever you are in despair, then you always pray to God to keep everything sorted, so that you will be at peace. So God solves everybody's problem. He is watching us and he is solving everybody's problems. So same thing, same belief this Lenko was having, कि he will be solving his problems for sure. He wrote a letter to God demanding him 100 pesos to sow his field again. अब उसने बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट भी डिमांड नहीं किया था. He just asked for the amount which was needed to make him again a good harvest. So he asked for 100 pesos so that he can sow the seeds again and he can get a good harvest, because he was dedicated. अगर वो चाहता तो और ज़्यादा भी डिमांड कर सकता था गॉड से, but no, he has not asked for more. He just demanded 100 pesos so that he can again sow the seeds and it will be ready for harvest. Okay, so this is how you can frame the answer. Then who read the letter? Obviously God has not read the letter. The postmaster, he read the letter. So this question can come. You will not write ki God has written the letter, but the postmaster read the letter. So these 5 questions can be framed. This question can be framed for 1 mark. मार्किंग स्कीम भी साथ में बताती जा रही हूँ मैं, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू हैव टू इलेबोरेट द आंसर. अगर देखो क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा मार्क्स में आता है, यू कैन इलेबोरेट, बट इफ इट इज कमिंग फॉर 1 or 2 marks, then you have to be very precise and to the point answers you have to write. Okay, so this is how you have to go about the marking scheme also. 5 questions are done. Now let's move on to some more questions also. See, what did the postmaster do after reading the letter? When this postmaster, he read the letter, what did he do? The postmaster laughed when he read Lenko's letter, but soon he became serious and was moved by the writer's faith in God. At first तो he laughed, so you have to mention this point कि when he read the letter at first he laughed, one thing, then he became serious, ये चीज़ भी add करना है, but then he became serious and was moved by the writer's faith in God. You have to write this sentence, students, कि but then he was moved by the writer's faith in God. This thing you have to add on because it looks impressive when you are adding on this line. So he was moved by the writer's faith in God. He didn't want to shake Lenko's faith. This is, misprint is there. So he didn't want to, shake Lenko's faith. So he decided to collect money and send it to Lenko on behalf of God. So this he has done. This question can come for 2 marks, students. You can write it down accordingly. He didn't want to shake this Lenko's belief in God, so he decided to help Lenko on behalf of God. Okay, you can see how this polite or how kind this postmaster is, that he is helping on behalf of God. उसने अपना नाम भी mention नहीं किया था उस letter पे. So how kind that person was. Alright, then was Lenko surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? He was not surprised because he was all having and he was believing that God will surely help him. So Lenko was not surprised. He was not surprised to find a letter with money from God, as he believed that God will surely help him. तो उसको कोई ऐसा surprise नहीं लगा था कि God ने उसको help किया है. Okay. Then what made Lenko angry? This question can be framed for 1 mark, students. Now what made Lenko angry? When he counted the money and it was less than what he has asked for, this made him angry. अब ये क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क में भी फ्रेम हो सकता है, 2 मार्क्स में भी फ्रेम हो सकता है, बट मेन थिंग इज you have to write down there were only 70 pesos. You have to pay emphasis on this thing. He 70 pesos the and he has asked for 100 pesos in the envelope, whereas Lenko had demanded how much? 100 pesos. The difference in the amount made him angry. Now he thought he has got less amount than what he has asked for. So this made Lenko angry. The second, eighth question is there. Now let's discuss some more questions. Question number 9, it's quite big. You can frame it in your own language also. Now who does Lenko have complete faith in? This question will be there for your board exam. He was having firm belief in God. So Lenko has complete faith in God. Complete faith he was having blindly. Okay, he was trusting God कि he will help him no matter what the condition is. Then which sentences in the story tells you this? अब ऐसे sentences हम लोगों को pick करना है story से which is telling you that Lenko was having great belief in God. अब इस sentence को जो frame करेंगे हम, इस answer को जो frame करेंगे, you will not add anything from your point. You will be just taking the answers or taking the sentences and you will be framing it directly. तो words देखो और sentences देखो students. तो there are few sentences which show this. कुछ sentences है but in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope from God. One thing it is explaining you, Lenko was having great belief in God. Then all through the night, Lenko thought only one of his hope, that was God. The help of God. Again it is paying emphasis on firm belief in God by Lenko. So help of God, whose eyes as he had been instructed see everything, because he was having firm belief in God कि God can see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. These sentences are telling you कि Lenko was having a firm belief in God. Then God, he wrote, if you don't help me, he has written this line, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry. He wrote to God on the envelope. अब देखो कितना firm belief था कि उसने sign भी क्या था कि to God. Then on the envelope put the letter inside and still troubled went to town. God could not have made a mistake. This line is also been mentioned in your story. तो as it is हम लोगों को ले लेनी है. God could not have made a mistake. ये तो हम लोगों का second point हो गया. Third point ये हो गया कि God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lenko for what he has requested. तो these sentences are telling you students कि he was having firm belief in God. तो इसमें हम लोगों को अलग से कुछ add on नहीं करना है. Take the sentences as it is from the story and write it down. ठीक. अब देखो, this question can be framed for more marks. 4 marks का भी हो सकता है ये. You can just add on कि 4 marks का question होगा ये. अब देखो last question which I have taken. Why does the postmaster send money to Lenko? Why? Because he was amazed by Lenko's firm belief in God. The postmaster sends money to Lenko in order to keep Lenko's faith in God. To keep Lenko's faith in God alive, because he was wanting Lenko not to get his hope or not to get his faith go from God. So he decided to help Lenko. Then and firm as he was completely moved by it, because this postmaster, he was completely moved by the Lenko's faith in God. So he was not wanting it to go down. Then why does he sign the letter God? Again, friends, on behalf of God, and signs the letter God so that Lenko's faith does not go down or does not get shaken. लेंको का जो फर्म बिलीफ है गॉड में वो कम नहीं हो जाए या वो शेक नहीं हो जाए. सो ऑन दिस बिहाफ ही हैज साइन द लेटर एज गॉड एंड नॉट रिटन हिज नेम. So these are the 10 questions students which I have picked up from you. You can easily take the screenshot of this, okay, so that you can just refer to these questions. देख लो एक बार थोड़े से वापस से. Detailed summary is there. You can take the screenshot of this. फिर questions are there, answers are also there. You can take the answers directly. So 10 questions we people have discussed in this. So I hope you people have understood this first chapter very properly. I'll be coming up with the next chapters of grammar also, of literature also. But till then, just watch this video, and if you like this video, you can always subscribe it. Thank you all of you for watching me. Have a nice day all of you.